find the tools to use. Number 1, you need a measuring tape. Number 2, a full mirror length. Number 3, be on your undergarments for best result. With the measuring tape, you will need to measure the 4 key areas of your body, being your shoulder, your bust, waist, and your hips. Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. Welcome back to my channel. Step 1, use the measuring tape. Use the measuring tape around the widest part of your shoulder. Secondly, to the fullest part of your bust. Also, without sucking, measure the narrowest part of your toes for your waist measurement. And lastly, measure your hips and your buttocks. Step number 2, it will be a measurement reading. Now that we have gathered your measurement, be honest with yourself and answer those 3 questions. Is your waist smaller or closely the same as your bust and your hips? The second question to answer, are your hips measurement bigger than your shoulders? The third one, it will be, which is the widest part between your bust or your shoulders? The third step, it will be characterizing your body type. So on the list for the body type, we have an apple body shape. An apple body shape is characterized by a larger upper body with wider bust and shoulders that less emphasize to the lower body with slim legs. For reference, we'll be looking at the celebrities such as Oprah Winfrey, Jennifer Hudson, and Kate Winslet. Because it has less defined waist, the goal will be to create a more distinguished waist by wearing tops with a peplum wrap style and empire waist. Because apple shape often have beautiful legs and a nice bust line, this will be the 2 features to highlight. So some wrap style dresses are very flattering on the apple body shape. They draw the attention to the lower body, helping to define the waist. Also, you can also extend the shoulder line by adding a flowy blouse while elongating your legs with some flared pants, which helps in balancing out the body silhouette. The second body shape, it will be a rectangular body shape. So this body shape is characterized by an athletic frame with a minimum waist definition. So the hips and the bust and the waist relatively have the same measurement. So this body shape is normally known for its lean but nicely shaped legs, small hips. The goal is to accentuate the curves and visually add more length for that remarkable transformation of an hourglass-like silhouette. For reference point, we'll be looking at celebrities such as Queen Latifah, Taylor Swift, Alexa Chung. Body shape number 3, it will be the pear shape. A pear-shaped body is mainly characterized by the wider hips with a smaller shoulder and bust, also a well-defined waist. For reference, we can look at the celebrities such as Kim Kardashian, Beyonce, and Melissa McCarthy. So when it comes to styling pear shape, the key is to dress this body with an intention to take away the attention from the wider hips, but drawing it to the upper body while accentuating the waist. For example, having a brighter colors and patterns on the upper body and dark colors on the bottom. Also, visually adding more weight to the shoulder and the bust area to de-emphasize the hips and thighs, creating a balanced silhouette. Body shape number 4, it will be the inverted triangle. So this beautiful body shape is characterized by noticeable shoulders which are wider than the hip line. So the goal when styling this beautiful body will be to focus on balancing the broader upper body with the narrow lower body in order to create a more balanced silhouette. So this is mostly achievable through choosing clothes that add curves to the hips and the bottom. So avoid wide necklines, as this can abroad your shoulders. Try to keep your upper body uncluttered. So lean more on brighter colors on the lower body, as this can help to draw the attention to the legs, creating an illusion of a waist. Avoid skinny or tight trousers, as this can reduce the hemline of the lower body, but opt for wide leg trousers, straight leg, as this add a volume to the lower body to make them look caviar while keeping the shoulder smaller. Body type number 5, it will be an hourglass body shape. So this body shape is mainly characterized by its round shoulders, while the hips and the upper body measurement nearly equal in size, with a defined waist. This body shape is balanced naturally, making it easy to style, as it only requires you to follow its natural silhouette, while paying attention in accentuating the waist. So pieces such as high waisted trousers and tight fitted trousers, also flat skirt, and also some wrap dresses accentuate an hourglass body shape. So to ensure that your hourglass body is well defined and balanced, avoid low-rise trousers, jeans, and skirt, as they tend to make the hips to appear more wider while shortening your legs. But also opt for mid-rise and high-rise for that elongated leg effect, accentuating your waist and mostly a well-balanced silhouette.
Treat yourself like you're your own best friend. Try to find a space inside of you that it reminds yourself that yes, you can have questions of self-doubt and that's going to come up, that's human, but at the end of the day, you are enough exactly as you are, I think is really important to remind ourselves of.
And that's wrap up today's video and on how to find your body type. I hope you now have a clear understanding of your body structure and how it can help you better choices in fitness, fashion, and overall wellness. So if you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us what body type do you think you are. Up until the next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Bye bye.